goody, it's goody, it's good morning, it's good morning. Yes, everyone see that I'm on a crate right now. Oh shit. So everyone see I'm on a crate right now. Yeah. It's what do you call? It's a USD chip. Yeah. This crate I took on last week on Friday. I mean Thursday, sorry. Yeah. I took the trade on Thursday last week. Yeah. And that's how the crate playing out. You know, this is how the trade plays out. Yeah. I'm gonna be short for with my analysis. You know what I mean? I'm trying to make things clear right there. Yeah. I'm trying to make things clear right there. Yeah. It's a boy Conga. Yeah. It's perfect morning. It's really like 1:30. It's 2:01. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. This trade goes like this, man. You see? Oh. Oh shit. So first of all, the trade is on a daily time frame. Yes. Daily time frame. So I see the price was creating like a high to the lower high, of which the lower high ended up being broken, this lower last low being broken, and the price come back to retest on that low, to retest to create a new lower high, of which as my trend line goes down also, that confirms that okay, we are heading to the downside. Yes, that's what I'm holding the trade. So join to the 4H. 4H I didn't execute the trade on the 4H time frame. So the trade I executed on a 1 hourly time frame, but on a 4 hourly time frame, I see the price was being creating like a high, no high, knowing that overall trend is going down. So I know that at some point it has to find somewhere that to risk, to reject, then continue to the downside, of which yes, it creating this high, come back to trade this lower high. Yeah, it failed to break, then it come back to, I can say it is a double bottom, and then it created this support level, and then plays around, and eventually it goes to create this new higher high. Yes, after this new higher high, okay, I saw that okay, the price now has reached to my level, of which when I go back to the daily time frame, my level that has been tested 1, 2. So this is the third time. So I didn't just go and say, I know, yeah, here we are taking the trade now. So this trade, I also measured, I'm using the Fibonacci retracement to confirm, I don't take a trade on a 30%, 32%, or 72, say 70% retracement. I only take the trade when it retraced, decrease 50%. That's where I'm sure, okay? Yeah, when you retrace there, that's where I'm looking for the new, that's where I'm looking for entries according to if it rejected or where, and then I mark the level. The price here has been, when I measure from the last week to the lower, yeah, just like that, yeah, and then there you go. And then when I see, you see this orange line, that's where my 50% retracement is. So let's come to see. Oh damn, yeah. So this orange level, so I mark it as my 50%, 50% retracement or 0.5 retracement. So that's where I mark as this orange line. If you can see, this is the orange line that goes here, that goes here. So according to myself, whenever the price goes and touches there, that's where I will be searching for some entries. Yeah, going to the hourly time frame. That's where I executed the trade. So I have some funny rules for my my entries. I mean, so I have two types of entries. Yes, it's a candlestick. What do you call it? Candlestick patterns, of which is either head and shoulders or double top or double bottom. So, okay, let's move on. So my rules personally, as it touches here, that's where it touches on a daily time frame with this week. So if you can see this week, yes, this week, that's where it touches here from my 50% retracement. That's where it touches. Okay, I know. Okay, now we have reached the level. So whatever I'm looking for, I'm being patient for the entries, of which my entries are executed on a 1 hourly time frame. Yeah, yeah. So that's how my double bottom would be like this. So I mark this level like this with this rectangle like this. I'm gonna make it red. Oh, yeah, yeah. So I mark it like this. So if ever the price, so if ever the price coming, you see, it comes to test, then it goes down. As you can see, this candle, what do you call? We call it a doji candle. Doji candle. This one, this one, is equal. The is equal. Like the body is in between, it's equal. It comes to retest there and it goes down there, so the body is equal. So it's a doji candle. Yeah, there. So go back to my hour time frame. So where I was, yeah, so it tested. So I mark like this. So I wait for the price to play around, to see my, to play around. If were the price to just continue go down, I would be not in this rate right now. But patiently waiting for the price to come here to retest and confirming if the price will close above this rectangle line. If the price close above this rectangle line, that's where I know that okay, now I'm no longer in this crate because possibly it close around, it close on top, close or above the level that many people might creating a new lower high, I mean a new high. That means if you are creating a new high, there is a possibility that the price will continue even higher and higher. I have to just wait what the price is doing, and if maybe you can create a double bottom, I mean a head and shoulder, that's where I will know that okay, yeah, there is my spot to enter the trade. But right now, here I am. So it tested here. It tested here. It comes to test in my box. Then it rejected and it closed red. So I see the first, okay. Now, yeah, there is some confirmation that okay, the selling pressure is stepping in. Then I wait another hour. Waited another hour. Give me this bearish candle, of which okay, the bears are in. Then I executed my trade from there. Executed my trade. Double bottom and double top is on the way. So executed with And the prices play around, but eventually didn't close on top of my zone. So it respected my analysis of this is a double top. So and then eventually the price is still holding, going down and down and down, down. Inform you guys how the trade has played out. I'm willing to wait for this trade for like a week, 2 weeks, whatever, but I already trade my stop loss from here, so this trade is running free. Risk, there's no risk at all. So I'm just patiently waiting for another trade. Thank you.